Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today we'll be changing the sight signal of the Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08. Okay, so we're going to be changing this to LED. Let's get to it. So to do this, what you need to do is actually just put it from the back here and just pry it. Okay, take it out, unplug it and put in the replacement. Okay. Okay. So put it in, there you have it. Done. Less than a minute.